Ni hidi ya mabura makuruguria kiharo kieru kiria giakitwo ni sako ya Kenya National Police Sako mwena wa South Sea County ya Nairobi. Ria President Dagitari William Ruto arukire dereti ya Hustler Fund riwa kionania makinya maria kigina gikinyukitie umuthio wa Kenya magikomba ciringi mbirioni 17.
The Hustler Fund will provide two things. It will provide number one, credit and a platform for people who cannot borrow from anywhere else to borrow from the Hustler Fund. 15 million have borrowed. 14.2 million Kenyans are servicing their loans regularly. 800,000 are behind schedule, but I'm sure they will catch up.
Na bayari ameandikithĩtie na Hustler Fund kirugamira Kenya mirioni 15. President nianireire kuongererwo kwa muigana uria Kenya mangikomba haria Kenya mirioni 3.
Kuanzia kesho wale watu wamekuwa wanakopa kwa Hustler Fund, tutaongeza limit ya pesa ambayo unaweza, kama ulikuwa unapata 500 na umelipa mara 2 mara 3, kesho sio 500, utakuwa unapata sasa 1000. Na wale mko 1000 mtasonga 2000. Vile tulisema tutasukuma hiyo mpaka ifike unaweza kukopa shilingi 50,000.
Ona gutuika Kenya ngiri magana manana maroneka kuremererwo ni urihi wa ngombo ciao. President nionanitie mwihoko munene na urihi wa kigina giki. Riwa kiuga nikihotete kuonania ikiro njega cia ucokia. Riwa Kenya ingi magikomba na gucokia ihinda riria riagiriire.
We will provide a savings component where as you borrow you save, because this organization you have had is built on the backbone of savings, and we are going to review the credit limit of every member every 4 months. We will add an additional ceiling for you so that we can grow everybody and we can look at everybody.
Niguo kwadadara ukombire ukigina giki itina ria keri nigitanyite kurugurio kuria riu ene biashara nini matanyite gukorwo makigunika na gatagati ga ciringi 100 na mirioni 2.5 muthia wa mweri uyu.
Where SACCOs like the police SACCO can also join and borrow money for your members. People in chamas, people in cooperatives, people in groups can also benefit from the Hustler Fund. That product is going to be launched end of this month.
Sako ya Kenya Police nayo nigathiriirio ni makinya maria kinyukitie riwe kigwetota sako ihotete guteithiriria maafitha borithi kwirugamirira kibesha.
As a ministry, we are working on various policy and regulatory frameworks to support and deepen financial inclusion among many Kenyans, more so those at the bottom of the pyramid.
Kenya National Police TT Sako has been able to take part in various CSR initiatives, with the flagship being the sponsorship of bright and needy children of the deceased members.
Sir, you have the low-cost housing. If you can direct that, at least 30% of the houses anywhere, they are reserved for police officers, the SACCO will be able to pay for the members at least 10% so that they can be able to start occupying the houses.
Kuna maafitha borithi makoretwo mari amwe aruti wira thirikari aria magumirwo ni nditi cia kibesha. SACCO eno niranire kurutania wira hamwe na thirikari niguo kumateithura thina uyu.
As we look into the future, we are still motivated by the desire to empower our members for quality life.
Hadini Kameme TV, retwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.